Hey guys, and welcome to episode number 92 of CRO Insights. And if you've not watched this series before, it's quite simply where I take one of our internal projects here at ConversionWise and show you a before and after design and why we did what we did to that design to boost its conversions. Before we get into this transformation, make sure if you're an e-com brand and you want to skyrocket your conversion rates, check the link in the description below. Book in a free discovery call. It takes minutes. We'll get to know you and your business and your goals and tailor a proven CRO or landing page solution just for you. Right, let's jump into this transformation. Okay, so as you can see, the before design lacked any serious conversion principles or conversion design principles. It was missing things like trust, credibility, social proof. There's no value proposition. There's not even a really visual call to action above the fold. So we changed that and we start with point number one. We reorganized the navigation. We added what we call our trust policy bar. This is where we showcase we're a real brand straight away to those cold consumers who've just clicked an ad, for example, on Meta, utilizing things like free shipping, our guarantees, and so on and so forth. We then improved the visuals. We've hit them with that all-important social proof. These guys have great social proof, so we just leveraged it higher above the fold. So now people know they can trust this brand with a mix between that trust policy bar and the reviews from other customers. We then have the value proposition in the form of a strong headline. This is supported not only by a nice description, a really large full width call to action that stands out. It's a contrasting color and it tells us exactly what we're going to do on the next step. And then below that are the all important benefit driven bullet points, clear visual ticks, bolded keywords. But again, it's just helping to enhance and visualize that value perception and the benefits of buying this awesome little product that I might even get for my little girls on this store. If you've enjoyed this, make sure you hit subscribe. As I said, check that link in the description for a free discovery call, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thank you.